Hello guys, today we will be learning about blockchain. We will discuss, what is blockchain, how it works, and why it is gaining so much popularity. So, let's jump in and get started. Let us first talk about what is blockchain. So blockchain is a type of database that uses blocks to store its data. Now you might be thinking that, so what, it's not a big deal. But, the actual reason lies in these blocks, because to which, blockchain is gaining so much popularity. Whenever you make a transaction, blockchain stores various type of data inside these blocks. Now the data include your current balance, your transaction ID, whom you are making the payment and many more. All these details are encrypted with an encryption algorithm, so that the data can be secure. Now, after storing the data, the entry is called as a ledger. Remember this term ledger, we will come back to this later. So finally we have stored the data inside the block and completed the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, this block is attached, or we can say connected to other block. Of course, there will be many blocks as you do many transactions. And here comes the fun part. These connected blocks are made public, which means, whenever you do a transaction to someone, your block entries are stored on their blocks too, as the transaction includes them too. Now you will say, then what is the advantage to making the info public? There is an advantage. Remember I said we will come back to the ledger. See, since the details are public now, the ledger will be called a public ledger. And since public ledger info is available on both sides. This is done so as to maintain security. Since data is on both sides, if a hacker tries to manipulate the transaction, he can manipulate only one side, but the info is available on another side too, and before completing the transaction the details are verified from both sides. So if any manipulation would happen, the transaction will fail. Also, manipulation is quite difficult as the data in the blocks would be in encrypted form. Many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin use blockchain to maintain integration and the consistency of the transaction. And since all the data is in an encrypted format, it also encourages security. Many companies like Visa, Walmart, DHL, Etihad, etc. uses blockchain technology to power their business. Now let us see how Walmart uses blockchain. There was a time when Walmart was facing many problems in managing its business. They were not able to satisfy their customers as the customers were receiving damaged goods. Due to this, a lot to return revenue was generating. The problem behind this issue was they were not able to track where the goods are getting damaged, as there were many phases the goods need to pass. As a solution, Walmart introduces itself with blockchain. By using the blockchain, Walmart was able to track where things were getting wrong, whether it was with the farm, the production, packaging, shipping, or the delivery. This is how Walmart used blockchain to improve its business. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.